In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view recent changes to your sheet in Smartsheet. Being able to see what's changed in your sheet is really important, especially if you're collaborating with a team or tracking important project data. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the simplest way to review the history of any specific cell, so you can quickly understand who changed what and when. First, make sure you have your Smartsheet open in Grid View. Grid View is the classic spreadsheet-style layout with rows and columns that look similar to Excel or Google Sheets. If your sheet doesn't already look like a grid, check the toolbar at the top of the screen and switch to Grid View from there. This view is important because it gives you the standard cell-based layout that allows you to access individual cell history easily. Once you're in Grid View, locate the particular cell you're interested in. This might be a status cell, a date, a budget amount, or any data point where you suspect a change has been made. Take a moment to click into the correct row and column so you're sure you're looking at the right place in the sheet. Now, move your mouse over that cell and right-click on it. When you right-click, a context menu will appear with several options related to that cell. From that menu, look for the option labeled View Cell History. Go ahead and select that. As soon as you click View Cell History, Smartsheet will open a panel or pop-up that shows the history of that specific cell. Here, you'll be able to see previous values, the date and time each change was made, and typically the user who made the change. This is incredibly useful for auditing updates, resolving questions about when data was modified, or simply understanding how information has evolved over time. Take a moment to scroll through the cell history if there are multiple entries. You can compare the current value with earlier ones and confirm that everything looks correct. When you're done reviewing, simply close the history panel to return to your sheet and continue working as normal. That's all there is to it. By opening your sheet in Grid View, right-clicking the cell you care about, and selecting View Cell History, you can quickly review recent changes and keep better control over your data in Smartsheet.